Hi, in front of me is Oppo A95 and today I would like to show you how you can use a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, tap on the left one. And to add a photo mark, on the right one. Now take a picture. And to discard it, click on X on the left. To add it though, tap on the check mark on the right. Now, if you wish to end your recording and save it, use this check mark at the top right corner. To delete it right away, you can tap on this X instead and confirm your choice in the pop-up. I will go with the check mark. Now name your recording however you want to and tap on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it, hold it instead. Tap on Delate at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to, you can always tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select Settings, and adjust all of those however you want to, like file format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!